Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Forte electric kettle. The model number for this particular kettle is EKLF001R. It's written right over here. There's also a photo of what this electric kettle is going to look like. This particular electric kettle comes with vacuum insulated double wall. It has a capacity of 1.8 liters. It comes with cordless operation and auto shut off. And it operates on a power of 1500 watt. And that's more or less the information on this particular box. Okay, there's some more stuff here. Okay, easy pour spout, power indication, on off switch, comfortable hand grip. Basically standard fare for most of your electric kettle. That includes the 360-degree cordless base. Let's open this box and show you what the kettle looks like. Okay, we have an instruction manual from Forte for this particular electric kettle. You should read it at least once. This is the 360-degree swivel base, the charging base. As you'll notice on the underside that you can wrap the wire around this part over here for easy storage. The kettle obviously rests on top of this, and the power cable connects to a power outlet. Let's take a look at the kettle. This is a red colored kettle. It's a plastic body, but the snout is made out of stainless steel. As mentioned earlier, this is a double wall vacuum insulated electric kettle. The inside is vacuum insulated. It's a nice addition. The handle is also pretty comfortable. And you will also have a indicator right over here, while this is your power on off button. For opening, basically you just have to push this and lift, and that's more or less it. You don't have to do much as far as opening is concerned. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Forte electric kettle, model number EKLF001R. Thank you for watching.